delve into the life of Robert Oppenheimer, the brilliant mind behind the atomic age. Born on April 22, 1904 in New York City, Oppenheimer was brought up in a family that valued education. His father was a textile importer who had come to the United States from Germany, and his mother was an artist, a lover of literature and languages. This combined influence shaped Oppenheimer's formative years, leading him to develop a love for learning and a passion for the sciences. As a boy, he was highly intelligent, with an insatiable curiosity about the world around him. He attended the Ethical Culture School in New York, a progressive institution where he was encouraged to think critically and independently. This upbringing laid the foundation for his later work on theoretical physics. Oppenheimer pursued his higher education at Harvard University, where he majored in chemistry before switching to physics. He graduated summa cum laude and proceeded to study at the Cavendish Laboratory at Cambridge University, before moving to the University of Göttingen to study under Max Born. That period was a turning point in his career as he delved deeper into quantum mechanics and developed his theories. Returning to the United States, Oppenheimer accepted a teaching position at the University of California, Berkeley. While his teaching style was considered difficult by some, his passion and intelligence shone through, earning him respect in academia. He was instrumental in transforming Berkeley into a hub for nuclear physics. With World War II, Oppenheimer's life took a stark turn. He was invited to join the Manhattan Project, a top-secret US government initiative to develop an atomic bomb. In this capacity, he oversaw the design and construction of the Los Alamos Laboratory in New Mexico. The project was fraught with challenges. From navigating the intricacies of nuclear physics to addressing the ethical questions that such a weapon raised, Oppenheimer was at the helm of one of the most controversial scientific endeavors in history. Despite the pressure, he managed to lead a team that, on July 16, 1945, successfully tested the world's first atomic bomb. The effects of the atomic bomb were devastating. The cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki were obliterated, and the world entered into a new era of warfare. Despite the victory of the Allies, Oppenheimer was deeply troubled by the consequences of his work. His quote, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds," reflects his remorse and the impact of his creation on human civilization. Post-war, Oppenheimer returned to academia, but he was haunted by his past. His security clearance was revoked during the McCarthy era due to his alleged communist ties. This marked a dark period in his life, as his reputation and career were severely tarnished. In his later years, Oppenheimer advocated for arms control and peaceful use of nuclear energy. He became the director of the Institute for Advanced Studies in Princeton, where he mentored the next generation of physicists. From theoretical physicist to father of the atomic bomb, his story is one of triumph and tragedy. His life, marked by his immense contribution to scientific knowledge and the profound consequences of his work, serves as a reminder of the duality of progress and its effects on humanity.